Hello everyone, my name is Jackie Mendoza. I'm a singer-songwriter, and today I'm going to show you how to write a song from scratch. And since it's December, I decided to wear my snowman shirt, and I've never written a holiday song before, so I'm going to challenge myself and give that a shot. Everyone's process is different and there's no right or wrong way to write a song. So whether it's your first or millionth song that you're writing, hopefully my personal process will help you and make things easier for you. Sometimes instrumentation comes first, sometimes lyrics, but it helps having instruments at hand in case you come up with something and you just want to write it down then and there. Here I have a tambourine, an egg shaker, a ukulele. You can use piano, guitar, bass, violin, whatever you have. So in order to record a song, you will need a recording program or a device such as a microphone, a phone, GarageBand, anything you have access to really that can record sound will work. Today I'm gonna use Ableton, so I'll show you how to use that and record sound on there. So today I started with my lyrics first. Sometimes it's easier for me to think of this as writing a poem with rhyming and with whatever rhythm you want. Before you even have a melody in mind, it's good to have some sort of direction. So for this holiday song, I decided to make it kind of sappy and sad. It's a love song. It's about missing someone during the holidays, and it's called Without You. So these are the lyrics I have. You can read them here. And here I have Ableton open. I decided I'm going to use ukulele for this. So here we go. Let me rename this ukulele. Here we go. This will be vocals. And these are some drums and some sort of little Christmas chimes and bells to go along with the theme of the song. There we go. So you have your lyrics, you have your instrument, you have some sounds that you're thinking about. Here I have a kick drum. We'll get into making the beat later. So something I like to do when I'm recording an instrument is I like to lay down like the main foundation of a beat. So here I'm gonna put a kick drum just to like have timing for when I'm playing the ukulele, and I know like when to hit the chords and when to sing and what parts. It kind of helps to just have some sort of beat as the first thing before you record voice or instrument, just to keep rhythm. So here I just have a simple 4 on the floor kick drum, and this will help me keep timing when I'm playing the ukulele. So here we go. So now that I have my kick drum and ukulele, it sounds a little something like this. And it goes on for a little bit. Yeah, it's only 3 chords, and it's D, C sharp, and G. So really you can use 1 chord if you would like. So since it's a Christmas song, I want to use some Christmas sounds, and what better sound than a little Christmas bell or chime. Let's see what we have here. Let's see. Maybe some chimes. Oh, Oh, perfect. We have some jingle bells here. Okay. Let's rename this to Jingle Bells. So we'll add the jingle bells throughout the whole song and see how that sounds. Now we'll add a snare. Okay. That can work. So now that the beat is taking shape and form, we just keep adding to it whatever we think. So now I'm gonna add hi-hats to the beat. Let's see what this sounds like. That sounds cool. So I'll add these hi-hats in there. Extraño tu sonrisa, extraño tu calor. California se congela con tu ausencia. Es mi primera Navidad sin ti, sin ti, sin ti, sin ti, sin ti, sin ti. I'm gonna go ahead and record the rest of my vocals and we'll come back to add some other sounds that we want to have. So I think since it's a Christmas song, it should have some horns, maybe more bells and chimes. So we will add that. So there we have our horns and our violins, big orchestra sound. And now the last finishing touch I have is a bass line that I will do on the MIDI keyboard. The cool thing about Ableton is that you can choose like any instrument you want and you could use a MIDI keyboard to kind of just write whatever you want. And the same goes for GarageBand. You can do the same on there. to everything. I chose this sound. So let's add that in here. So there you guys go. I hope this was helpful. I hope it inspired you to start writing your own songs. This was really fun for me, just going through the process step by step, and I'm actually really happy with how the song came out. So here's the finished product, Without You or Sinti. Happy holidays!
Trying not to think of you tonight. My eyes are swelling from holding in the waterworks. Works fine for me, but I can't sleep. And if I cry, I fear the tears won't ever stop. Let me let you go, let me let you go. I miss the winter snow, I miss the New York snow. California dreaming is a nightmare without her. I'll leave cookies for you out by the fire. Mistletoe above the door. What's it there for? No one's coming over anytime soon. Don't wanna catch a deadly cold. This will be a lonely Christmas without her. Oh,